This is the right time to believe in love.
Hi Faizal.
Hey, hi, stail.my.
So tell us more about yourself.
Okay, I'm Faizal Hashim. So I'm a co-founder of Pereka. Come on. So this is what we do. We actually specialize in terrarium. So this is what are the products. Hey, this is Jai. So I hand over to you, Jai.
So I heard you'll be joining us for our study
Yes,
room.
of course.
Please describe your room in 5 words.
It's going to be green, nature, and also it's going to be wild and sensual and also adrenaline.
You guys will be collaborating with Bonia for this
Uh-huh.
So what's the brand association to the room?
Since Bonia coming out with their nature collection, and it's going to be suited to our nature room there.
Nice, so I'll see you there.
See you there. Come and join us, Pereka 10th stylish room in Pavilion.
From 4 to 13 May 2018. So see you guys there.